class. We do have students and we are going to set this table. And we have a student, Mr. Danish Mujahid, and he is going to lay this table. And there is another student probably, and your name is?
Mohammed Shaji Zama.
Shaji Zama will certainly help in case if he makes any mistakes, right? And I'll certainly be supervising the whole setting, right? So let's get started, please.
Okay, let's start. Thank you, sir. This is a charger plate, and we sit in the middle of the table.
Yes, we put it in the center.
And distance is from guest is 1 inch.
Okay.
Okay. After that, first this is main course knife and main course fork.
Okay.
We set in the right
Yes,
side
we place.
of we place in the right side of the plate, and the left side is fork.
And cutting it, they always face towards the plate.
First plate.
ठीक है, दूसरा बताएं.
The second one is fish knife and fish fork.
So we place after the main course.
After the main
Yes.
course.
Okay, the next one.
The third one is salad knife with salad fork.
Okay.
Next, this is a rice spoon, meal spoon.
Okay, main course.
After that, this is tea
Teaspoon, yes.
The next one is soup spoon. Only one fork we placed on the right side, that is oyster fork.
An oyster. Oyster. The small one is a butter one.
Yes.
So we have to place the small.
This is a butter plate, B&B plate, and this is a butter knife. And we place at 4 o'clock.
Yes. In the direction now.
Direction of 4 o'clock. This is a dessert dessert spoon and dessert fork. We place at the top of plate.
Yes.
Charger. This is side plate.
It should be here.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Fine, yes.
And this is a saucer with a cup of coffee. We put here.
Okay, fine.
This is fruit set.
Yes.
We put here.
You put here
Center.
at the top, yeah.
This is water goblet or glass. We put here. First one.
Okay. Put it here. This will make a little sense.
This is a champagne glass. We put the next to.
So we call it
Champagne flute.
champagne flute. Champagne flute, all right.
This is a red wine glass.
Okay.
After that, white wine glass.
How do we hold glass, by the way? Yes, how do we hold glass? Can you please? Yeah, we hold glass like this, right? So we hold glass like this. Fine. So we hold glass like this, right?
This is sherry glass.
Sherry glass, all right.
This is glass.
It should be here. Okay.
No,
You can make it here. You make here. Is the arrangement fine? Perfect. Are these, in the same direction?
Different.
So you can, okay, please. Is the justified? Is the distance justified? Make it closer. Is the distance between the dessert spoon and dessert fork justified?
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Okay. Perfect. All right. So the last is now. So what this full it is named as? Flower arrangement, right? Flower napkin style. Okay, fine. So finally, we did it.
Yes.
Finally, we did it. Is there any correction needed?
Yes, sir. Direction.
The direction of? Yeah, being it should be it should be 4 o'clock and probably it's 5 o'clock.
Yes,
It should be like it should be like. Okay, so perfect. So you did it well, right? And you really helped well. And thank you so very much.
Thank you,
So
sir.
thank you again. Thank you. ठीक है जी.